Hello everyone. Let's see question number 59. How are metals in the middle of the reactivity series treated with their alloys? Explain. It should be ores, not alloys. Their ores. Explain. Metals that are in the middle of the reactivity series are, for example, iron or zinc or magnesium. They are in the middle of the reactivity series. How do we extract these metals from their ore? We have to describe the steps. So first thing is we have to convert the ore into its metal oxide. If the ore is in sulfide form or carbonate form, then we have to convert it into oxide, correct? So if the metal is present as metal sulfide, then we have to use roasting, in which we heat the metal ore in the presence of excess of air. If the ore is a sulfide, then heat it strongly in the presence of excess air. When we heat the ore in the presence of excess air, metal sulfide will be converted into metal oxide. Or if the metal is a carbonate, then we have to heat it in the presence of limited air. If we heat metal ore in the presence of limited air, it will get converted into metal oxide. After converting it into metal oxide, we have to treat it with a reducing agent. In order to remove the oxygen present in that metal oxide, we should use a reducing agent. Generally, coke is the reducing agent we use. So next step, after converting metal ores into metal oxides, next step we follow is reduce the metal oxide. If we reduce the metal, we will get metal oxide. After reduction, we will get the metal. That is the next step. Reduce the metal oxide, correct? So metal oxide is then heated with the reducing agent. So typically carbon or coke is the reducing agent we use. So we will get pure metal in this step. So this is how we extract metal from metal ores. And formation of alloys from the metals in the middle of reactivity series are often used to form alloys in order to improve their hardness and strength. If we mix two or more metals or metals and non-metals, we can improve the strength or resistance. Properties of alloys will be different from the properties metals alone exhibit, correct? So if we mix the metals, their properties will be different. That's why we convert them into alloys.